Yeah, that's me, messing up in Adobe Premiere Pro, trying to figure out how to edit a video properly. So, let's talk about how I got here. I got up in the morning, hopped on my PC, planning to make a video when suddenly it hit me. I had that itch to try Adobe Premiere. Because CapCut? Yeah, it's great and all, but lately it's been feeling a little too simple. Like, every time I try to do something a bit more advanced, CapCut just looks at me like, bruh, that's not happening. So I'm like, okay, fine, let me level up. Let me become a real editor or something.
Wait, what? Who gave me this script? This is so wrong.
And the funny part is, I thought Premiere was gonna be easy. I thought I'd open it, drag a few clips, throw in some transitions, maybe color grade a little, and boom, professional editor unlocked. Nope, not even close. I opened Premiere and instantly got blasted with panels, timelines, buttons, windows I didn't even know existed. I'm sitting there like, why does this look like a spaceship control panel? So, now I'm on YouTube searching how to use Premiere Pro for beginners. And 15 minutes later, I'm watching a guy explain something called the sequence settings like it's rocket science. I pause, switch back to Premiere, click the wrong thing, go back to the tutorial, rewind, miss a step, rewind again, and repeat for the next, hour. Meanwhile, CapCut is just in the corner like, hey, you sure you don't want to come back? We have templates, and it's way simpler. But nah, I'm committed. I'm trying to upgrade. And let me tell you, every small thing in Premiere feels like a massive win. Figuring out how to move a clip without breaking everything, victory. Learning what a keyframe is, achievement unlocked. Exporting without it crashing, pure magic. So yeah, this is me spending my entire day slowly, painfully, hilariously trying to figure out this software. Learning one tiny thing at a time, rewinding tutorials, clicking random buttons, and realizing why editors look so tired all the time. But hey, if CapCut isn't enough anymore, this is the journey I signed up for. And honestly, I think I'm starting to love it, even if it's breaking me a little along the way.